Hey guys, this is Adil Adnan. If you are planning to start a new business, this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna talk about business mistakes you should avoid when starting a business. If you want to start a business and want to be a successful business person, watch this video till the end because I'm gonna tell you some secrets as well. First mistake is not doing a proper business plan. Yes, guys, planning plays an important role to achieve personal and business goals systematically. Advanced planning is important to adapt and succeed during the constant change. Behind the success of organization, execution of planning plays an important role. Second one is not doing any marketing research. I see increasing number of people starting business without bothering to do any of these and being heartbroken when their business gone down, which they have invested so much time, money and many more. Guys, please test your product and service before you start a business. Or if you have no idea about marketing research, you can go for a freelancer and a market research expert and take help from them. It may help you to grow your business properly. Third one is ignoring the competition. Yes, guys, ignoring the competition is another potentially huge business mistake. Most of the small business holders do not invest money in marketing. This mistake do not make them to do something better. Guys, please create a marketing plan, set up some marketing campaigns and keep doing it if you want to be a successful business owner in near future. My best tips is for today is market your business before opening it. By the way, guys, I'm a marketing expert. If you need any help for your business, you can email me. You can find my email address in my description. That's all for today. See you in the next video.